Talent is everywhere. But opportunity? That's what we build here. Welcome to the UC Riverside School of Business Executive Fellows Installation Dinner. This is who we are, and this is what we do. We don't just teach business from textbooks. We bring the front line of global industry straight to our campus. At our Executive Fellows event, the gap between ambition and success is bridged. Look around. The leaders running major corporations, disrupting industries and rewriting the rules of business are actively engaging with our students, coaching them, and connecting them with resources and people. They are actively pouring their expertise into our students. This isn't just networking. It's mentorship that sparks life-changing impact. Our student body is one of the most diverse and driven in the nation. They are hungry to lead, disrupt, and innovate. And when you connect that drive with top real-world industry insight, the results are undeniable. This is the UCR difference. We aren't just teaching the theory of leadership. We are actively shaping it. But we don't do it alone. Partner with us. Invest in them. Let's build a legacy together.